to Cocktail Corner, and today we are going to build a highball. Now, highballs are totally down my lane of cocktails. They're easy. You don't need to shake them. You just throw them in a glass and drink them, and you can make some more and enjoy yourself. So let's get making this. So we have our highball, and again, I honestly just love the ensemble Mezcal. It's easy to drink. You get a little bit of smoke. You have the minerality to it, the earthiness, kind of that like wet greenhouse smell. So if you can, buy this one. If not, use whatever Mezcal you can find. I highly recommend them all. Shenanigans. So we're going to use 1.5 ounces of the Mezcal, and we're going to build this right in the glass, and then we're just going to gently stir it right before we add the fizziness. So there's 1 ounce, 1/2 ounce. Then we're going to use some lime juice, and we're just going to use 3/4 ounce. Sounds like a lot, but it's really not that much in the grand scheme of things. It's going to cut down the sweetness of the soda we're going to use, and it kind of just blends really well with the Mezcal. Then let's get some ice in here before we add the soda, actually. Now with highballs, I think you want a little bit of extra ice because it just gives you a little bit more alcohol to soda ratio. I mean, if you want a little less ice, go for it. But this way you don't water it down too much with your soda. I'm going to use Bundaberg's Diet Ginger Beer. I love it. You can use regular, it doesn't matter. I just prefer diet soda to regular soda, so that's just me. We top it off with just those couple ounces. And then with our amazing Surfside Sip straws, you just kind of, a little tall, oh well, we dirtied it. Kind of just stir it together. This is the art and glory of the highball. And then we're gonna just take a lime wheel, not a wedge. And we're just gonna place it right in there, and then let's see how this tastes. Super delicious. The ginger beer from Bundaberg isn't super sweet, so I think it goes perfect with this Mezcal. It's got, just like I mentioned before, the minerality to it. It's got the lime, so it's really bright. I'd say this is great all year round drinker, so enjoy and have one too many on us. Remember to like and subscribe us, and if you follow our affiliate link to Surfside Sips, you can get 20% off. So I would highly recommend you get some of your own straws for yourself. So cheers, and we'll see you next time.